Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord on ChatGPT, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of ChatGPT. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.